Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system and updates. Then let's tap on backup and reset and choose Google account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you will have to do it, add it right now, just like I have to. So here in this tab, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, we can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so just mark the option and tap on confirm. Of course you can mark both and tap on manage backup. So here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so we can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now and your device will back up the data right now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.